Sarah. I'm 34 years old and I am looking to attend Dominican College to get a degree in education, and I have MS. I am worried about how I'll navigate the campus of Dominican College as I use loft-strand crutches. I have decreased endurance and I fatigue easily. I have weakness in my lower extremities. I experience tingling in my hands, and I do have double vision. Right now, my occupational therapist, Thomas, is working with Dominican College to help make Forkel Hall more accessible for me.
Hi, my name is Thomas. I'm Sarah's occupational therapist. We are addressing many of her concerns that she previously noted. And here at Dominican College, we are looking to renovate our Forkel Hall for not just her disability, but more of a universal design aspect. And many of these universal designs we're going to demonstrate to you and show throughout this video through selected rooms in the hall, such as the bathroom, the walkway, and one of the classrooms.
Currently, there is no handicap-accessible parking spaces located near Forkel Hall. According to ADA standards, one accessible parking space is required for every 25 non-accessible parking spaces. This parking space must have a width of 96 inches, must be on level ground with a slope no greater than a ratio of 1:50 in all directions, within the shortest distance from the building entrance with an accessible route, and must have signage that is handicap accessible.
Currently, there is a long pathway leading to the main entrance of Forkel Hall from the parking lot.
This pathway also has curbs and stairs. Due to this, an access ramp is recommended. This ramp must be at least 3 feet wide, must not have curbs or stairs, must have a non-slip surface, and have a slope no greater than 12 inches of horizontal length per every 1 inch of rise. The ramp should be built to the left side of the building, closer to the parking lot. The ramp should have paint that will contrast against the concrete, along with edges to enhance Sarah's ability to see the ramp. These modifications are required due to Sarah's low endurance and double vision. The pathway and stairs outside of Forkel Hall were noted to have uneven areas as well as cracked pavement. In order to prevent falls and decrease the difficulty of Sarah and other students or faculty members when accessing the building, repavement of the pathway and stairs is recommended. A power-assisted door opening system is recommended at the main entrance to accommodate Sarah's low endurance and loft-strand crutch use. Additional ceiling lights and floor lights with automatic sensory on and off or verbal command system should be installed to provide adequate lighting in the area, especially at nighttime. This recommendation is needed to accommodate for Sarah's low vision impairment. In order to enable easy entrance into the building, a rubber material mat should be positioned in the space after the main door. Due to Sarah's low vision impairment, additional lighting is also needed in this area of the building. The carpet in the lounge can also be a tripping hazard for students and other individuals accessing the building. This especially impacts Sarah's safety during functional ambulation due to her double vision, lower extremity weakness, and loft-strand crutches. This carpet should be removed in order to decrease risk for falls. Anti-slip mats should be placed in hallways and areas with high volume of traffic to enhance Sarah's ability to easily and safely ambulate around the building. Numerous desks and chairs were noted in the hallway of the Forkel Hall building. In order to provide adequate space for functional ambulation and to prevent risk of falls, the extra desks and chairs should be removed. At least one of the water fountains needs to be changed to a front or side access push bar water fountain. The spout of the water fountain needs to be mounted at the front of the fountain. Spout height must be 36 inches from the floor. ADA standards require that a water fountain have a width of 30 inches, a depth between 17 and 19 inches, and a clearance of at least 27 inches from the apron of the fountain to the floor. Modification to one of the water fountains is required to reduce physical effort and fine motor skill needed to access or use the water fountain.
The sign on the women's bathroom door is not compliant with ADA standards for accessible design or universal design principles. A new sign should be mounted to the wall at a height of 60 inches from the floor. This sign should follow the ADA standards for brailled characters and pictorials, character height, character proportion, finish and contrast, and symbols of accessibility for signage. To improve Sarah's ability to access the bathroom, lever knobs are recommended in its doorway. Door hinges should also be added to provide extra freedom of 18 inches for entry space. The first bathroom door should be changed to a swing door with an opening force of 5 pounds to reduce energy needed to access the bathroom. The second bathroom door should be removed to allow for additional space and decreased energy requirements for Sarah. The height of the toilets within the bathroom should be 17 to 19 inches to allow for ease of use. Automatic toilet tank flushing system is also recommended. Bathroom sink height should be no higher than 34 inches from the floor to the rim, and it should provide a minimum clearance of 29 inches between the finished floor and the bottom apron of the sink. The mirror needs to be moved to a maximum height of 40 inches from the floor, as Sarah may eventually require a wheelchair. The light switches in the bathroom also need to be changed from a height of 55 inches to a height of 40 inches. In the classroom, a lever knob is recommended for the door leading to the classroom. In addition, door hinges should also be added to provide an extra freedom for the entry space. In addition, classroom signs should be changed according to the ADA standards. The classroom should also be decluttered to allow for safe, functional ambulation for Sarah when she is using her loft-strand crutches. It is also recommended that the platform at the front of the classroom be removed to allow Sarah to safely access the area of the room and reduce the physical effort needed to step onto the stage. The classroom windows should require no more than 5 pounds of force to open. To reduce the physical effort Sarah needs to open the window, H windows should be installed throughout the classroom. The height of the sink in the classroom should be no higher than 34 inches from the floor to the rim and provide a minimum clearance of 29 inches between the finished floor and the bottom apron of the sink. The cabinet below the sink should be removed and a roll under sink should be installed. Additionally, all cabinets above the sink should be changed to pull-down cabinets. Automatic soap and paper towel dispensers should be added to the sink area.